I remember going to a repair shop and the gentleman telling me that I needed to get something done to my vehicle. But I also remember feeling that I didn't trust him. And I think that was a big part of me wanting to get into the automotive industry. I had never seen a woman anywhere related to the automotive field. And then it occurred to me one day that I would just have to go ahead and kind of be my own role model. When I moved to Greensboro, I went to the local community college, inquired about the automotive program.
She was focused on what she wanted to do. A lot of our students don't have that when they walk in the door.
It's a stipulation to be in the program that you have to have a place to work. I was going on interview after interview and no one would hire me.
Well, I got a phone call from the director of the Delco program at GTCC. He said, I've got a girl out here in the program. She's just sharp as a tack. So we set up an interview. She came and talked to me. I liked her from the get-go. She let me know she wasn't scared to try anything.
It was a little nerve-wracking, and especially because everything was kind of hanging in the balance. I had a young daughter to take care of, so I didn't really have the luxury of taking a long time to figure things out.
After talking with her, there was just no reason not to give her a shot.
And he said, you know, we'd like for you to come and work with us. It was just unbelievable. I love working directly with the customers and advising them. I don't want people to feel that they're being taken advantage of.
It makes me feel proud that she did what she wanted to do when she didn't give up.
I love my job, and I feel good about it every single day. This is where I wanted to be. It's a pursuit of a dream. It's what I really wanted to do.